Masakit ang tiyan ko, sabi ko eh. Iba naman ang ginawa ni Deson. Kakatawa naman tong anak ko, guys. Sabi ko masakit ang tiyan ko. Pero naglagay naman siya ng tuwalya dito sa ano ko. Linagyan niya ng tubig. So funny. Pero ano naman, appreciated. I appreciate. Why? What is this, baby? What are you putting on to my tummy? That's a mosquito lotion. This is not, baby.
Sorry. I don't know what to say. I'll massage you.
Careful with my hair.
I'll massage your nose. Done. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I put hot towel in mommy's forehead because she's sick. And I also massage her. So that's all guys, what I did to mommy because she eat a lot of pig meat and she got stomachache. So that's all guys, and bye bye.